Kickstarter is a crowdfunding platform for creative projects. Let's get straight into a screen recording and show you how to back a Kickstarter project. Go to www.kickstarter.com. First, you will need to log in to your Kickstarter account. Click Log In. If you are new to Kickstarter, you will need to create a Kickstarter account. Click Sign Up and fill in your relevant information like name, email, and your desired password. Then click Create Account. You will be logged in to Kickstarter automatically. In the search bar above, search for the project you would like to back. Click the green Back This Project button on the top of the page. Alternatively, the rewards are also listed on the side of the project as you scroll down and read the story or description of the project. If you click the green Back This Project button, you can then select your reward. Then click the green Pledge button. You may then pick any add-ons if they are available. Click Continue. Fill in your payment information. Check the box confirming that you understand that rewards are not guaranteed. More on this later in the video. Click the green Pledge button to complete your pledge. You will receive an email confirmation to confirm that you are now a backer of the project. Your backer number is stated here as well. Your credit or debit card will be charged only when the project reaches its funding goal by the deadline. If the project ends but has not reached its funding goal, Kickstarter will not charge your credit card. Sometimes you may see a temporary authorization charge to your credit card at the time of pledging, but these usually get reversed in a day or two. To change your pledge, click the Manage Your Pledge button on the right-hand side. Click Change Your Pledge and select a new reward pledge. Then continue with your pledge as usual. To add on items after your initial pledge, click Change Your Pledge, then select the same pledge. Then choose your add-ons. Then continue with your pledge as usual. A pledge can only be cancelled while the project is live. If the project has ended and the pledge collection has begun, it is no longer possible to cancel. Additionally, it is not possible to decrease or cancel a pledge during the last 24 hours of a campaign if doing so would drop the project below its funding goal. Click Manage Your Pledge. From there, click Cancel Pledge next to the Change Your Pledge link. It is important to know that when backing a project, you are not buying an existing product. Kickstarter is not a store. You, as a backer, pledge a certain amount of money to help support and bring a project to life. Backing means supporting a project regardless of the outcome. Rewards are not guaranteed. Most of the time, there is nothing manufactured at this point. This is more like investing in a startup company rather than a purchase. Like most early stage projects, you have to accept the risk that the project may experience changes, delays, and unforeseen challenges. And it is possible that a project you fund might not be able to deliver. You have to make your own judgment about a campaign before making a contribution.